Hi, so what I got here is this Hyper Tough 4-piece folding knife kit. So what I really want to show is how to actually fold this. So the instructions were not the greatest on this, but first I want to show you what it comes with. So it comes with these two metal blades that are a little bit more compact. And you could see that this particular one's folded and this one isn't, and I'll show you that how to do that a little bit later. And then it comes with these plastic handle blades that also, kind of, fold pretty nicely. So it comes with two of these and two of these. And then it has a pack of 25 blades. So Hyper Tough is generally a Walmart sort of brand. And this was on sale for about $15 on the website. And I'll have the links in the bottom. But I'll show you how to switch the blades. So first things first is the way to fold this into this is simply to push this handle. So just push this down and then it folds quite simply. And then to unfold it, you just twist it out and then it snaps in. You could hear the snap. So this is actually fairly straightforward. Once again, pushing this in like this, like so. And then as you're pushing it in, keep in mind there's a blade guard here. So the way to remember the blade guard is that that thing is diagonal. So, to put it in, just remember to put it in like so. And then to remove the blade, you push this particular button here. So I'm going to take this blade guard out. And then to remove the blade, pushing this in. And then it hooks in via these hooks on the top here. So this is always two-sided. So, you could always flip it over. Be very careful because these things cut easily. And then to replace it, push this in. See how I have this pushed in? Push this in, slide this in, like so. And then you'll hear not necessarily a click, but when you release this, just make sure it's in tight. And so this is the plastic blade here. And if I put this in again, the blade guard, so I don't cut myself, and close this, put this aside. Now this is the trickier one. So when you take this out of the package, you're probably wondering whether this folds. And it does fold, and it folds like this. And the way to do it is, it comes from the package unfolded. So if I flip this around, you see this, I'm pushing this out. So right on this edge here, on this particular side with the clip, if I push this out and I turn this, there you go, it folds. And to unfold it, you could hear it click. So I'm gonna unfold this and you could see, just look at this edge here and see how it snaps in place like that. And once it snaps in place, it's tight. So you can go about doing your thing. So let me show that again. On the clip side, push this in. So you see I have that pushed in. So I'm exaggerating it a little bit. You don't need to do it that much. So I'm pushing it in, folding it, and that's how you have this folded. Now let me show you how to replace the blade on this smaller metal one. So this particular one's more compact. And if I flip this over, you can see here it says, push up. So when you do push this up, you see how it pushes up. You could also see this up here. So I'm going to push it up, hold it and pull it out. And you could see it like so. You could see I am still pushing it up like this. Push it up, replace the blade, You know, be very gentle and careful. So when you're pushing it like this, it actually doesn't have all that much room, so you just have to be careful. You know, so pushing it up, resting it, you can hear that click. You know, test it out by tugging on it a little bit, and that's how you switch this particular blade. Now I want to compare this to this particular one, so just side by side. Make sure when you're messing around with these that you do have the blade guard on it. You're going to easily cut yourself if not. So the size of this, you know, side by side, of course the blade is the same. It's just the handle is more compact on this particular one, on the metal one versus on the plastic one. So let me just fold this away and show you the blades. So just putting this away and, you know, putting this particular one away. And so just want to mention that, you know, 29 blades, but really this blade holster comes with 25. They actually included the other ones, integrated belt clip. If you go to the back here, it shows you how to fold those, but let me just tell you, it is not straightforward, so just follow my instructions. Now the blades, you can see it's 25 blades here. You simply have this slider at the top. So slider at the top, you know, the blade comes completely out, and then it pushes the rest of the blades up. So this will last you quite a while, unless you're like a drywall or you know, you're cutting boxes all the time or whatever. So that's really you know, the complete package here. So let me just line this up. Those are the blades. You know, blade one. And let me fold this out. Blade one, blade two. Fold this particular one out too. Give you a look-see. And there you go. That is the entire kit. And I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please just ask in the you know, comment area below. And you know, please buy from the links if you are gonna purchase these. And you know, I hope this helps. And please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.